we have threaded, we have flanged, we have copper sweat, pressurized expansion joints, your Saflex, your slip packs, your bowl joints, your guides, and your expansion joints. So this is ours. All right, and we have, it's a fixed by floating, and this will be the competition. Now the one thing that you might notice right away, which I'm gonna point out, is the braid coverage. So as you can see on this one, you can see those corrugations through there, right? We pride ourselves on 100% braid coverage. All right, this is the difference between corrugations. Everything that we manufacture is manufactured with a closed pitch. That is the competitors, and this is ours. They're the same size, but as you can tell, one is a lot more flexible than the other. So the history of the flexible loop, so we're gonna get into that. They standardly come with 4-inch all directional movement and 6-inch guided thermal. So then we're gonna get into guides. The spider guides is that they can be installed in any direction. All right, so this is your pipe, so that's all it's meant to do. Let's guide the pipe.